Alright, this video is going to be about the clamp. So this will attach to the embroidery machine, and as you can see, you can release, slide in a garment, bag, whatever you want to embroider pretty much. You can put a shoe in there, clamp them down. These are adjustable here and here. You can adjust them in closer, out further. As you can see, I have them out to the furthest. So what I'll do is I'll take off the two tubular arms real quick here. Go. Both arms are off, and this will attach in center. Bring this up for a little better view here. Alright, there we go. Do this again. So I usually come in from the back side like this and then slide it in there. Now you will see there's a lip here. This is where you align it with the lip on your pantograph here. Don't go too far in, otherwise it'll not make it nice and horizontal here. It'll be more of an angle. Tighten that up. Tighten up the other side. So there we go. So now you can see it is flush with the bar. We can release these open each side. And then whatever you want to embroider on. Bring it in, clamp it down. There we go. So I just clamped a belt in there. So once you get your position, then you can do your trays. Be a little more accurate. So there you go. That's how you hook up the clamp onto the embroidery machine. Pretty simple. One set screw this side and one on the left side. So as you can see, as I loosen it up, it starts to drop. There we go. Completely out.